In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LUTs in CapCut PC. If you want to import professional custom color grading presets or use external .cube files to give your footage a much more polished and cinematic look, this is a very simple process once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already inside CapCut on your PC and working in the project where you want the LUT to be used. Open the Adjustment or Color section where LUT options are available. Inside this window, look for the drop-down section. This is where CapCut lets you manage the LUT options that are already available and also bring in your own custom files. Once you find that area, click on the blue button labeled Import. As soon as you do that, CapCut will open a standard File Explorer window on your computer. This is the same type of window you use to browse folders and files normally, so it should feel very familiar. Now simply navigate to the location where your custom .cube LUT file is saved. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple LUTs stored in the same folder. When you've found the one you want to use, click on it once to highlight it, and then click Open. That will import the LUT directly into CapCut. After the file is added, your new preset will instantly appear in your custom list. From here, click on the LUT one time to apply it to your track. You should immediately see the color and contrast of your footage change, depending on the style of the LUT you imported. At this stage, it's a good idea to fine-tune the intensity so the effect doesn't look too strong. Right below the file thumbnail, you'll see the strength slider. Drag that slider down to around 70. This helps soften the effect just enough, giving you a balanced and cleaner color grade instead of something that feels too harsh or overly tinted. In many cases, this creates a crisp and natural-looking result across your overall edit. And that's it. Your external color asset has been imported, applied, and adjusted manually in just a few quick clicks. This is one of the easiest ways to upgrade the visual style of your video using custom LUTs in CapCut on PC. You're all set, and you're done.